Yeah. Okay. Good morning, student. Uh, Page number 138, problem set 6, problem number 5, sub question 9 and 10th remaining. So today we will start with that. So from trigonometry, lecture number 8 and problem set question number 5, sub question number 9, tan cube theta minus 1, tan theta minus 1, sec square theta plus tan theta we have to prove. Now left hand side I will write tan theta cube 1 cube tan theta cube minus 1. Now you know that a cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b, a square plus ab plus b square. This is a cube, b cube. So a minus b, a square, b square. See, if it is here minus, here plus. See the formula carefully. If here plus, here only minus. That is the formula. See the difference, right? Now, this will be as per this. A means only tan theta. B means only 1. Then A square means tan square theta. Plus A into B means 10. Plus B square means 1. Correct? Now, divide by same. Tan theta minus 1. So, tan square theta, I am changing the sequence. Tan square theta plus 1 plus tan theta. And identity number 2, that is tan square plus 1 is equal to sec square theta. Tan square theta plus 1 is equal to sec square theta. So this one is sec square theta. Is equal to right hand side. Therefore left hand side is equal to right hand side. Therefore tan cube theta minus 1 divided by tan theta minus 1 sec square theta plus tan theta. Now next one. Sin theta minus cos theta plus 1. Sin theta cos theta minus 1 1 by sec theta tan theta. This is simple in a basic form, sine and cos. So we can't use identity because there is no power, and we can't transfer into another. So simple, sine theta, first bracket. I have taken minus common, so inside minus. Same, sine theta plus cos theta minus 1. That is left hand side. In numerator, I want 1. So I will take the conjugate pair of numerator only. A minus B, A plus B, bracket, bracket, see the bracket, bracket minus bracket, bracket plus bracket. So same bracket, conjugate bracket, same bracket, conjugate bracket. What is same bracket? Sin theta minus cos theta minus 1. I am writing same to same. Same I have written. Now I will write the conjugate pair of this. So sin theta plus cos theta minus 1. Sin theta plus cos theta minus 1. What I have done, multiply and divide by sin theta plus cos theta minus 1. I have taken the conjugate pair of numerator. Now this is a plus b, a plus b, a minus b, a plus b, a plus b. So denominator simple. It is a bracket into bracket, so bracket square. Sin theta plus cos theta plus 1. Sorry, minus 1. Sin theta plus cos theta minus 1. And outside, a minus b, a plus b. So a square, b square. See again, in this I have taken minus out. So inside cos minus 1. Here I have put the bracket. So cos minus 1. So a minus b, a plus b. In numerator I want single 1. So I will take the conjugate pair of numerator. So a minus b I multiply and divide by a plus b, a plus b. So these are two different bracket, a plus b, a minus b. So it is a square minus b square. This is a plus b, a plus b. So a plus b total square. Now simplify. This is sine square. This is cos square theta. A square 2ab b square. Square of first term, this into this into this with minus square of this term. Divide by just a plus b plus c square is equal to a square, b square, c square, 2ab, 2bc, 2ca. A square plus b square plus c square is equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. Means first into second 2, second into third into 2, third into first into 2, last three terms, and square of all the terms. Same, square of first term, square of second term, square of third term. Now first into second into 2. So 2 sin theta cos theta. This into this into this. So minus 2 cos theta. First, second done. Second, third done. Third and first. So minus 2 sin theta. Now I will open this bracket. Sin square theta cos square theta minus minus plus 2 cos theta minus 1 divide by sin square plus cos square is 1, then this is also 1. Sin square plus cos square is 1 plus 1, so 2 plus 2 sin theta cos theta 2 cos theta 2 sin theta. Now see, sin square minus 1, sin square plus cos square is equal to 1, 1 minus sin square is equal to cos square. So this and this is cos square, 1 minus sin square, here sin square minus 1, sorry. So this sin square here, 1 here, so here minus cos square. Sin square plus cos square is 1. Sin square minus 1 is equal to minus cos square. So the value of this and this is minus cos square. So minus cos square theta minus cos square theta plus 2 cos theta. Now this will be the same. 2 plus 2 sin cos minus 2 cos theta minus 2 sin theta. This will be minus minus means 2. This I will write first. 2 cos theta minus cos square minus 2 cos square theta. Divide by same. It's visible, no? Correct. Now I will take 2 common. Cos theta, cos square theta. Again 2 common. 1 plus sin theta, cos theta, cos theta, sin theta. Is this cancel? Now from this I will take only cos out, cos theta. So 1 minus cos theta. Now I will write this and this first. 1 minus cos theta. Now from this and from this I will take minus sin theta common. Minus sin theta out, so 1 only. From here minus sin theta out, so minus minus plus sin cos minus minus plus. Again 2 cancel. From here I have taken cos common. From this and this I have written, this and this I have written 1 minus cos. This and this means sin cos minus sin. So I will take sin common, so cos minus 1. But if I will change the sign, this pair I can change. So this same I have written here. Sin 1 minus cos. Now again common of common. So cos theta 1 minus cos theta. Now 1 minus cos common of common. So this is 1 minus sin. So 1 minus cos cancel. So cos theta 1 minus sin theta, that is your simplified answer. Now I want this. I want 1 in the numerator. So when I will get 1 in the numerator, when it divide by cos. So divide all by cos. So cos theta by cos theta. 1 by cos theta. Sin theta by cos theta. Cos by cos, 1 by cos, sin by cos. So cos by cos cancel, so it is 1. 1 by cos is equal to sec. Sin by cos is equal to 10. Is equal to right hand side. In trigonometrical ratio, there are 6 ratio. Among that, 2 are basic, sin and cos. The rest of are dependent on sin and cos. So this full sum, I'll explain again same steps, because everywhere I have written sin cos, sin cos, sin cos, sin cos. So you keep in mind that S means only sin, basic ratio. C means only cos, basic ratio. Full on sum I am explaining again, so it will be more clear. But wherever I will write S, you have to consider sin. Wherever I will write cos, C only cos, not cos A. Okay. With that concept, I am explaining this full sum again. It's easy with that explanation method, but that you have to not to write. You just pick up the method and you will write sin and cos, sin and cos. But the steps I have converted that you will get. It is given S minus C plus 1, S plus C minus 1. Finally, we have to find out 1 by sec theta minus tan theta. We have to prove. Okay. I have written left hand side. Sin minus cos plus 1, sin plus cos minus 1. Okay. This is your left hand side. Now, sin, I am taking minus common, so cos plus 1. This I have separated. Here I have taken minus out, so minus minus plus 1. Okay. Now here it is plus, so multiply and divide by S plus C minus 1. So S minus C minus 1, S plus C minus 1, that I have copied. Now multiply and divide by same. Correct. Now this is A plus B, A minus B. So A square minus B square. This is full. S plus C minus 1 total square. Conjugate pair we have taken. So 1 plus 1 minus. So A square minus B square. And same bracket into same bracket. So bracket square. Now I will simplify. This is only S square. Inside square of first number, this into this into this, 2 cos square of this plus 1. Now this sin square cos square 1, A square B square C square. First into second into 2 SC, because no minus. This into this into this 1 minus, so minus 2C. Now this into this into this, C with minus, S with minus. Now only I will open the bracket of numerator. So sin square minus cos square minus 2 cos plus 1 divide by Sin square cos square is 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. So directly I am writing 2 plus 2 sin cos minus 2 cos minus 2. Now again I'll change this. I will substitute. When you will open the bracket, this will be plus and this will be minus. Plus minus, minus minus plus, plus minus minus. Now I will write sin square minus 1 is equal to cos square. Substitution. Sin square minus 1 is equal to cos square is equal to minus cos square. Sorry. So minus cos square, or arrange, first arrange. Sin square minus 1 minus cos square plus 2 cos. Here I will write same 2 plus 2sc minus 2c minus 2s. Okay. Now sin square minus 1 is equal to minus cos square. Again minus cos square plus 2c. Same 2 plus 2sc minus 2s minus 2c. First is s, then it is first is c, then it is s. No problem. So I will write this first. 2c minus 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 2 cos square. Now I will write this and this first. 2 minus 2 cos. Then sin, then 2 sin cos. Without sin cos, only cos, only sin and cos. I have arranged. Take 2 only common, c minus c square. Take 2 only common, 1 minus c minus s plus sc. Correct. Now 2 cancel. C minus c square, 1 minus c minus s plus sc. From here take c only common, 1 minus c. From here 1 minus c, nothing is common, I am writing 1. Now take minus s common, only 1 remain. Minus minus plus s gone, so c. Now this and this again common. Correct? Common of common. So this will cancel, c 1 by s. Next, c 1 minus s that we got. Now in numerator we want only 1. Correct? So c by c, 1 by c, s by c. Divide all by c. So cos by cos is 1. 1 by cos is sec. Sin by cos is 10. So it is right hand side. Correct? So in a SC form I have converted all S means sin, all C means cos. And at the end I have converted this C divided by cos. So this, just keep in mind that this type of solution you have not to write in exam. This is for your understanding, the steps, how, which type of the conversion I have done. In my all 8 lectures, I have given same hint that this chapter divided into 3 parts. One ratio is given of 6 out of 6 trigonometrical ratio. You have to convert into any rest of any 5. Then equation to equation, second part. In that they will ask one question. Here equation left side is equal to right side. They will ask one. In a word problem. That again we will start in a 6.2 also we have done word problem. This second part is also for word problem. Page number 139, sum number 6. A boy standing at a distance of 48 meter from the building and observe the top of the building. Make elevation angle 30. This is the building. This is the position of boy. Elevation 30 degree. At a distance 48 meter. This height of the building we have to find. Now write all the description. A, B, C. A, position of boy. BC is equal to x meter, height of building. AB 48 meter, distance of boy from building. Angle BAC is equal to 30, angle of elevation. Okay, now
Sir, 5 minutes left.
opposite is given, opposite we have to find out, adjacent it is given. So find the combination. Hypotenuse is not include. When hypotenuse is not include, not given, not to find, it is not include. How you can say it is not include? Not to find and even not given. So hypotenuse is not include. So only two options, tan and cot. Better you take tan. Tan BAC is equal to opposite adjacent. Opposite BC BA 10 30 10 30 x meter 30 meter. 10 30 is 1 by root 3. Thirty goes this side, so x is equal to 30 divided by root 3. Whenever you will find root value under in denominator, so multiply and divide by that same root value. So root 3 will be 3. This is, so cancel. So tan root 3. Value of root 3, you have to remember to find out the accurate answer. 10 into 1.732. So by multiply by 10, one decimal shift. So this is 17.52 meter. Distance of boy from building in meter. The sixth question. Now seventh. From the top of the lighthouse, observer, look at the ship. Find the angle of depression, 30 degree. The height of lighthouse is 10 meter. Lighthouse height is 10 meter. Sorry, 100 meter. Ship. Position of ship A. BC is the height of lighthouse. Angle of depression is given 30. So as per this alternate angle, 30 degree. Thirty, 100. Find out the distance of ship. X meter. Each and everything in the diagram you have to write. A. Position of ship. CB is equal to 100 meter. Height of lighthouse. BA. Distance of ship from lighthouse. D. Angle D. CA. DCA is equal to CAB. Now again, hypotenuse not given. We have not to find out how hypotenuse. Forget it. Rest of two side only tan and cot. Again, we will take tan only. So tan angle of depression. Tan A. Opposite adjacent. Opposite BC. BA. Tan 30. 100 by X. Tan 30 again. 1 by root 3. If by mistake I substitute wrong, you have to remind me, okay? So X is equal to 100 root 3. So 100 into 1.732. So 2 decimal will shift. $173.2 correct, 173.20 correct, 173.200 correct. So after decimal you can add 0. So don't try to match that. It is, sir, it is 0.20 and you are getting 0.2. Both are equivalent. So this is the exactly distance. Distance of ship from lighthouse. So first of all, you have to draw the sketch. Sometime a boy is given, so students are drawing like this, that this is the what it is, building, and the boy is this, and then this. So it will come error. For ship also, this is lighthouse, this is ship. From here, no, this will come error. Because with compared to this much height, the height of that boy or that height of the ship from the horizontally, it is negligible. Okay, because my height is around 6 feet, so